another episode of Facts. We have the key to unlock every truth. So, if you are suffering from any anxiety or you have any issue concerning monetization from YouTube, just relax, clear your mind, and we'll go into it. Don't forget also to subscribe. And very soon you'll become like this guy who is now earning a lot from YouTube. I'm here to tell you you can make it. So, if you're ready, let's go into the facts about monetization, how to monetize your YouTube channel. But please, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification button. 1. The YouTube Partner Program (YPP) allows creators to monetize their videos through advertising revenue. To join the YPP, creators must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. 2. Creators earn money from advertising revenue based on the number of views their videos receive. The amount of money earned per video can vary depending on various factors such as the type of ad and the viewer's location. 3. Advertisers can choose to run different types of ads on YouTube. That's the skippable, the not skippable, and the bumper ads. We'll talk about more later. 4. In addition to advertising revenue, creators can also earn money through sponsorship merchandise and and crowdfunding. 5. YouTube takes a 45% cut of the advertising revenue generated by a creator's video, with the remaining 55% going to the creator. I think I deserve a thumbs up for that. If this information is helpful, subscribe also. 6. The highest earning YouTuber in 2021 was Ryan Kaji, a 10-year-old boy who made $29.5 million from his channel, Ryan's World. So, it's not too late. You can still monetize your YouTube channel. Let's go to the next step. Number 7. To comply with YouTube's advertising policies, creators must ensure that their content is suitable for all audience and does not contain inappropriate or controversial material. So if you want to get monetized, check your content also. Number 8. YouTube has faced criticism for its handling of copyright infringement and the impact of demonetization on creators. Yes, if you post the correct content, you'll be monetized. 9. Creators can use YouTube Analytics to track their earnings and view data on their audience demographics, watch time, and many more. 10. To maximize earnings on YouTube, creators must consistently produce high-quality content that appeals to their target audience and engages viewers. Let's go through some tips and tricks that will help you monetize your channel. 1. Focus on audience engagement. One of the most important factors in YouTube monetization is audience engagement. The more viewers engage with your content, the more YouTube will promote it and the more money you can make. So make sure to encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel also. Also, pay attention to viewer feedback and adjust your content accordingly. 2. Optimize your videos for SEO. Search engine optimization (SEO) is crucial for getting your videos discovered on YouTube. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to make it easier for viewers to find your content. You can use tools like Google AdWords Keyword Planner to research the relevant keywords. 3. Stay up to date with YouTube policies and guidelines. YouTube has strict policies and guidelines for monetized content. Make sure to stay up to date with these guidelines and avoid any actions that could get your channel demonetized. For example, avoid using copyrighted content without permission and don't clickbait your viewers. 4. Diversify your revenue streams. While ad revenue is the primary source of income for most YouTubers, it is important to diversify your revenue streams. Consider other options like sponsorship, merchandise, and affiliate marketing. This can help you maximize your earnings and provide stability during changes in YouTube's policies or algorithms. Number 5. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTubers can help you grow your audience and reach new viewers. Consider collaborating with YouTubers who have similar audiences and niches as you. This can help you gain exposure to a wider audience and potentially earn more revenue. The last tips and trick for today is creating high quality content consistently. To monetize your content on YouTube, you need to have a consistent stream of high quality videos that engage your audience. Make sure to invest in high quality equipment and production values and stick to a consistent upload schedule. This can help you build a loyal fan base and attract more subscribers and viewers. So, in conclusion, YouTube monetization is a great way for creators to earn money from their content and turn their passion into a sustainable business. From ad revenue to sponsorship to merchandise and membership, there are many ways to monetize your channel. It is important to keep in mind that building a loyal audience and creating quality content should always be your priority and the top priority of that matter. So keep creating, keep learning, and keep growing your channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.